Hello, in front of me I've got Nubia Red Magic 7. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password, fingerprint and face detection, go to screen lock, confirm, and as you can see right here we've got 4 types of screen locks: no password, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with no password. Pin, password, and in the end let's select pattern. Now when it's done, we can go to fingerprint, select phone unlock, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the bottom of the screen by simply tapping the sensor multiple times. Each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now let's use fingerprint to unlock the phone. And now we can go to the last method of unlocking the phone, which is face detection. Simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.